Thinking about waxing at home for the first time? Nervous about the pain? Worried you'll mess it up? Don't stress, I've got you covered. Today, I'll show you how to wax like a pro with no crazy pain and no salon price tag. Stick around till the end for my best hacks that make waxing super easy. The secret to a smooth pain-free wax. Prepping your skin. Here's what you gotta do first. Exfoliate 24 hours before. This removes dead skin and helps the wax grip better. Make sure your hair is at least 1/4 inch long. If it's too short, the wax won't grab it. Clean dry skin only. No lotions, no oils. Dust on a little baby powder. This absorbs moisture and helps the wax stick better. Not all wax is the same. If you use the wrong kind, it can be a disaster. So here's the breakdown. Hard wax, best for sensitive areas like your face, bikini line, or underarms. Soft wax, great for legs and arms, but it needs wax strips. Wax strips, super quick and easy, but best for fine hair. Alright. Now for the main event, putting the wax on. This is where most people mess up, so listen up. Heat the wax to the right temp. Warm but not too hot. Apply it in the direction of hair growth. This helps it grip properly. Leave a thicker edge so you can actually grab it when it dries. Time for the part everyone dreads. But trust me, it doesn't have to be bad. Here's how to remove wax without making it painful. Don't pull straight up, that'll just hurt more. Instead, pull parallel to your skin. Hold your skin tight with your other hand. This reduces the sting. Right after pulling, press down on the area to soothe the skin. Congrats, you did it. But you're not done yet. Good aftercare means no irritation, no ingrown hairs, and no regrets. Apply aloe vera or a calming lotion to reduce redness. No hot showers, sweating, or tight clothes for the next 24 hours. Exfoliate again after 48 hours to keep your skin smooth and ingrown free. If you want perfect results, don't make these rookie mistakes. Do wax in a cool, dry place so sweat doesn't interfere. Don't go over the same spot multiple times, it'll irritate your skin. Do test the wax on a small patch first. Don't rush, take your time. And that's it. You just learned how to wax at home like a total pro. So tell me, are you gonna try this out? Comment below if it's your first time. And hey, if this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more easy self-care tips. See you in the next.